Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be discussing how to make a group chat on Discord. So guys, to do this, first is of course you could just simply go ahead and go to your Discord. Now here you just simply select open Discord in your browser, and here on your Discord, in order for you to create a group chat, you will have an option at the top right corner of the screen, new group DM. So go ahead and select this one. And after that, you can add up to nine friends to this group. So from here, I could just simply provide the name of the person that I want to create a group with and just simply select the person. Now from here, just simply select one of your friend to create a group or eight more friends. And once you have selected your friends, you can just simply go ahead and provide the group name over here. I'm going to go for test. And after that, you could also upload the group photo as well or the icon and select create group DM. And now from here, as you can see, I have now created a group. And when I send a message over here, they should be able to see it. And on the right side, you should be able to see all of the members that I have. And there we go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.